Hello, I'm Laurie Lane-Zucker, founder and CEO of Impact Entrepreneur at the Global Impact Investing Network Forum in Copenhagen, Denmark, with Ayo. Ayo, can you pronounce your full name?
My name is Ayotunde Aladejana, but you can call me Ayo.
Well, great to meet you, Ayo. Tell me about the Founders Factory Africa.
Yeah, okay, so we're a venture builder, investor, and accelerator. We are a first check investor to our founders. We're very active in the support we provide to them. So what we do is provide equity to our ventures, but we're very unique in our approach in that we believe that ventures need more than just capital, which is very important to scale. So we have a team of 60 people across partnerships, investments, product, growth, talent, technology. And that whole team is deployed around each of our ventures to help them scale. It's a bespoke approach depending on what the business needs. We don't have a curriculum, we don't have set cohorts. We invest in businesses and then provide support across those disciplines to help them get to the next stage of growth.
Do you focus on specific sectors?
Historically, we've done health tech, fintech, and agri-tech. However, we're more sector agnostic now, and we're starting to look at logistics, e-commerce, climate mobility, and we're keen trade, and we're keen to explore all of those sectors as long as there is. It's tech-enabled, it's creating jobs, and it's delivering the impact we want to see.
How many countries are you active in?
So we've invested across Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Ghana. We've recently made our first investment in Egypt. We're looking to scale that, and we're also looking at a couple more countries in North Africa and also starting to explore what the Francophone Africa looks like.
Are you usually the first money into these businesses?
Yeah, so we are usually the first money. So we're concept stage all the way to seed plus most of there. But for a lot of our ventures, we're at the first money in. We're the first ones to back an entrepreneur that has a great idea, a great relation to the problem they're trying to solve, and a great understanding of how to solve it and how to articulate that properly.
Can you give one example of a business that you've worked with that has had significant success?
I mean, I'd say we have one company that we supported that has gotten to Series A. They're called Powered by the People. Yeah, powered by people rather. So they're based in Kenya. They're an ethical marketplace and they source products. They've done some really good work. They've gotten to Series A. And so that is one business I'd say we've worked with, and they've raised the Series A round, and we followed on in that Series A round.
So at the GIIN, what kinds of connections are you most interested in making here?
So we're raising a fund. So we have a 40 million fund that we're raising. We've raised 7 million. We've closed 7 million out of that, looking to raise another 33. So we're looking for LPs. And a lot of the connections I'm also looking for in partnerships is catalytic debt providers who can provide debt to our ventures. A lot of our ventures, or not necessarily provide debt to ventures, but I can provide capital for our ventures to on lend, because we have a lot of them who have embedded finance solutions, lending to the agricultural value chain, the health tech value chain, the fintech value chain, and so on. And so we're looking for catalytic debt providers that can do that and provide loan books and catalytic capital for our ventures to be able to do that.
For those who are interested in learning more, how do they find you?
You can go on our website, Founders Factory Africa. I'm also on LinkedIn. Easy to find. Please send me a message. And we're very easy to find. Go to our website, Founders Factory Africa, and I'm on LinkedIn at Ayotunde Aladejana. Very easy to find. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sitting down.
Thank you so much.